Ugh. Excuse me. Ugh. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jesus. I'm so sorry. Oh God. Oh my God. Sorry. Joe, thank you so much for the 5 gifted souls. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God, what the fuck is going on? Holy shit. She's gonna blow. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Oh, I did not expect that. Oh my goodness. Ugh. You have to mute and give a power sneeze? I am power sneezing! What the fuck? I'm sneezing as hard as I fucking can! Holy shit. My fucking face hurts. What the fuck do you think is happening? Okay, hold on. I gotta blow my nose. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I blew my nose. Oh shit, hold on. Hold on 1 second.
Your sneeze is just as cute as Henya's are.
Whoa, that was loud. Guys! Shit! That was fucking loud. What the fuck? Holy shit. Chat! It is I, Ironmouse. Her sneezes are tragically adorable. Oh my God. I'm sorry for all the sneezing.